Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy Singh, head of DP Academy. So we're currently really excited because we're hosting StyleItaliano's online Espresso courses. So there's the Espresso anterior and the Espresso posterior course. Or you can purchase both courses as a bundle. So you can purchase these courses on our website, www.dpacademy.org. So one great idea is you can actually purchase the courses in bulk, so as a practice, so that all your dentists can, be gathered together to watch the videos together. So that's actually a great way. It's more interactive and fun as well for your dentists. So we've actually done that in Singapore with a clinic, DP Dental. Here's a sneak preview of the event.
Hi, my name is Susie. I'm a general dentist from DP Dental. I just attended StyleItaliano's Espresso course. I really enjoyed the course because it was fast, efficient, and with really clear instructions. I can cut out a lot of clinical time and then be able to offer really efficient, high-quality dentistry to my patients.
Hi, my name is Dr. Nijam. I'm a general dentist. What I really like about the course is that it teaches you in a very efficient, fast, effective way. It teaches you very quickly the basic things about doing beautiful restorations for anterior teeth and posterior teeth. And what I liked about the course, it was really efficient, but really good techniques to actually learn from. So yeah, definitely recommend this course for all dentists who want to learn how to do beautiful anterior and posterior restorations.
Hello, I'm Pauline from DP Dental. So after attending the StyleItaliano Espresso course, I find that it's really very useful and applicable for a lot of dentists out there, whether or not you've been to any type of composite courses. We definitely will have a good lot of take-home points that you're able to utilize the next day in practice. So it's really good how the steps for doing the posterior and anterior composites are all very shortened, and basically no complicated steps. It's easy to use, and it doesn't take up much chair time as well. So it's really applicable for day-to-day patients.
So as you can see, it was like a study club session. So you can also do this with your practice. And if you need help with planning that, please email us at support@dpacademy.org and we can help you out.